you don't have to chase leads ever again. Now let's be real, most agents fail in their first year. Why? Not because they're lazy, but because they were never really taught how to run a real business. You're spending hours doing door knocking, cold calling, creating content, or maybe paying some companies to buy leads that might not be genuine. And you're wondering, where are my leads going to come from in the next 1 to 2 months? Meanwhile, other agents, they seem to have a steady flow of high quality clients without seemingly even trying. That's why we created the Niche Positioning Masterclass. Now this isn't just another sales course, this is a proven attraction marketing system that is meant to help you to build a brand and positioning in the real estate market, most importantly by creating a niche so that you don't have to chase leads ever again. And this is the exact playbook that top realtors use to turn their real estate as a job into a real estate business. Clients should be chasing you, not the other way around, because you are delivering good work and clients should know that. Want to see how it works? I'm giving you free access to the first chapter of this masterclass.